So for the second time in 2 days, I'm stuck. If I try and start the car, nothing happens. Completely flat. It came up 12-volt battery warning, please stop safely, then wouldn't actually come out of the stop. Last time the AA man came out and just did a quick restart. So just so people are aware, the RAC cover you get on the Kia only lasts for the first year, so you have to arrange something for the second year. And because this is a business company contract hire car, it's on the AA cover. So and they've been very good. They came out very quickly last time, and they're due to come out pretty quickly today. But these 12-volt issues with Kias are just a nightmare. Kia and Hyundai Group, they need to do something better. They need to actually improve their battery technology, the 12 battery, because the cars are great. It's the 12-volt batteries letting them down.